Alright guys, so we about to jump on the highway and come up here. We got a little bit, but apparently it's thunderstorming out near where I'm going, which is fine because I've ridden in the rain plenty of friggin' times. But that's what we're going to be doing today, is potentially some rain riding. We'll see how these bald Dunlop Q5s do, because they were $600 and they did not last long at all. Already spinning. All that on the yellow line, or the white line, started spinning me. Alright, so for the 20 people that enjoy these videos, I'm gonna keep doing it. And hopefully you guys start sharing it, liking as much as you can. Appreciate it. Pop, 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 pop. So they hooked okay there. You always got to do a traction test. Yeah, my things have hogging up, so I might have to run one of the vents open. It's definitely moist today. We needed this rain though. It had to happen. I did not put my feet down at all. Slick spot right here. Try to be careful coming on. So we're trying a little bit. I need to stop yelling when I get on the highway, is kind of what I'm noticing. Because like I get that like higher pitch going on. So I'm trying to work on some of the camera or microphone settings. Damn, I don't know how y'all sit like this. I cannot. The amount of people, I mean, I guess there was only 2 or 3 people, but how I ride is kind of how I ride. I don't want to fake none of this shit. I don't know. I can't. I can't. know if you guys can see that. I see the lightning over there, the thunder. Oh yeah, we're going right into the storm, guys. I'm gonna try to stay as dry as possible, but look how dark that sky is. Holy shit. So it's really bad over that way, so I'm gonna go this way. Yeah, this is bad. I picked the wrong vehicle to take tonight. See, it's not so bad this way. It's all over there. Oh, man. I'm surprised I got this far without getting wet. My front brakes are getting squishy. Look at that. Fucker comes all but in. I'll probably have to get that looked at. But for any of the cars that move over when they see you splitting, I gave them a wave, every one of them. Some of these people are really, really nice. Look at that. Look at that over there. That shit's fucked. I got a text earlier from Josh, and he said, thunderstorm, but spelled really, really badly. I was like, oh. Meanwhile, I'm already on my way. So if I'm lucky, it's going that way. But if I'm not lucky, then I'm kinda SOL and I'm gonna get wet. Which I do think I'm gonna get wet. If I'd have went the other way, I'd have totally gotten wet. I'm trying to be strategic about it. Look how far in that brake lever comes in. It's hitting my ring finger. I need to get my brakes fixed. It's not the brakes themselves, it's needs bled. Again. I think I'm gonna rebuild that caliper and get some new levers. Might be fine. I don't know. It still stops. Like if I go to, yeah, it stops. I don't know. What did you guys think about this one? How did I do? I'm gonna make these shorter ones, and some of them I'm gonna talk, some of them I'm not. You know, I hope you guys enjoy them because I enjoy making these, and I'm just bombing you guys with content these past couple days. I want to jump it. Hey, I know them. I know him. I wonder if he broke down. But no one was in it, so I don't know. I wonder, that's probably why they put the bed down, so that nobody steals it. Oh. Damn, I beat the storm. Or the storm beat me, one or the other. If it's not here. Alright. See you guys. Oh, almost fell on my ass. That shit is slippery. Damn, that is slippery. Wow. And just chill here, get struck by lightning. Damn, I can't. There we go.